G'day, Baz here from billsbybaz.com. Wow, I gotta say, last night was a roller coaster. I was very down. I was in a deep dark hole wondering how the hell I'm gonna earn enough money to build the trailer to put this thing on and show it to the world. I did some late night, midnight specialing, put a peel out there on YouTube and Facebook, and much to my absolute delight, I got a terrific response. So I sold 4 of my blades last night, just one after the other, and then one of the Japanese kitchen knife sets went. So it's on a roll. I hope it keeps going, because at the moment I've got enough now to buy the suspension outright with the brakes and get it shipped up here from Melbourne to Canberra. And now I've also got enough money to start buying all the main members of steel that I need to start welding together to create the frame. So I am deeply humbled, extremely happy, and out of the hole. So after I've got these big ticket items out of the way, then the smaller items and little pieces of steel and electric lights and all that sort of stuff, they can just come as they come. So thank you very much to everybody. Fantastic. I don't know what to say. Yeah. Cheers, as you always say.